Hi, welcome back. Like I said in my other video that I have this scoop on the roof, and I talked about an intercooler. So I have the intercooler on the floor, and I have also a surprise with the twin turbo I'm going to put into the car. So I'm just going to show you where the intercooler is going to sit. Yeah, I'm going to show you where the intercooler is going to sit. So I'm going to just put the plate on first. I just put the intercooler on this aluminium plate, and there's going to be another plate above it, and there's going to be a rubber strip around it so tighten up, so I don't need any fan for it. So just press the air right through out here underneath. Yeah, I just show you where the intercooler is going to sit. Quite different to have it mounted on the engine, but it's the only way for me. And also made a special exhaust with a better flow. The twin turbos are going to change to precision, maybe, I don't know. Special made turbo manifold. When I was building the car, I made this. West gates, intake manifold, different kind of bands on it because there's a lot of things in the way. Air filter, 3D printed this pipe, so it's really light. Also the twin fuel pumps in this are gonna need. Yeah, and a lot of other stuff, pipes, rubber, I'm gonna need to mount everything. And I'm gonna put the car into a dyno, and I hope I can get out a little bit more than 1000 horsepower. Shouldn't be any problem, but I hope the gearbox also holds together. I think that's all for me, and have a nice day.